Welcome back. Now, one of the options you have in displaying your data is to formulate it as a chart. So what we're going to do right now is go to the Insert tab. We're going to look at our Chart tab. And in particular, one of the first things that you can do is to look at what charts might be recommended for your highlighted data. In this case, you'll see some of those that are chosen by Microsoft Excel. However, what you can do is you can style your own chart. And you can decide on the one that you'd rather see by looking at the information and using it in this case. And what you can do is you can hover over the different charts until you see one that best highlights your data. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go with the scatter chart, and then you'll see your chart listed here. Now the default setting is going to be the quick layout, and it's also going to have it pre-formatted. You can then go to the formatting side and you can make some formatting changes. We can choose our border. In some cases, we can choose to have a solid line or gradient line. And we can also choose our text options. So for example, one of the things that we can do is we can again choose a solid line or a gradient line. We can also filter certain data on our chart. So for example, we can click this chart filter and we can decide which data we're going to show and which we're not going to show. In this case, what we can decide is we're not going to show the conversion data. And we're just going to show these two areas. We're then going to click apply. And you'll notice that the conversion data then goes away in the chart. Now by clicking on the chart itself, you're going to notice then that your chart menu comes up, and this is a separate menu from the other menus. You can then go back to the design side and you can make changes based on how you want to display the data. So for example, you can switch the rows and columns. Making a change like that make a difference with your chart. We can switch it back so that it looks this way. We can choose to add axis titles. And we can choose whether or not they're going to be horizontal or vertical. As you can see, we can do them this way. And we can also choose to change the colors in the chart. So once you move your data into a chart, you have full control over how the chart is going to work by using your chart menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.